Well, let's talk about the elephant in the room. I know it's ugly. It weren't supposed to look like this. It was supposed to be a light smoke, not electrical tape. So yeah, I'm really disappointed. I know it looks really bad. So, but I'm gonna turn this around, and instead of a disappointment, I'm gonna use it as an opportunity. And let's just test how much of a light the headlight tint actually blocks the heavy headlight tint like this. So I'm gonna remove it from one side. I just literally applied it an hour ago. I absolutely hate it. I cannot stand it. I'm not gonna drive like this. So I'm gonna remove one side and put the car in the garage. We're gonna close the doors, turn off the light, switch on the lights on the car, and we'll see if there's actually a difference from a light coming out from a headlight. So is this even safe? Let's see. I'm not gonna drive like this, mainly because it's ugly. Alright, let's start with the removal. There is one good thing about this crappy electrical tape headlight tint is it's very easy to remove. Look at this. I thought I would need some, proper, I don't know, material, spray, Goo Gone, whatever. Nope. It doesn't leave any residue, which is good. Thanks for that. And yeah, I like this much better. Just a clean factory look. I'll just leave it like that. Boom. It does have a tiny air release structure on it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. It's a very small, sort of like a grit system. So if you do have only a little bubble there, the big ones that won't work, you can actually, massage it around, and it's gonna kind of like push the air around, and it's practically will disappear. Anyway, I don't really care about it. I really absolutely hated this tint. It's really difficult to work with. From my perspective, I'm not good at tint. Maybe some people in the chat or whatever in the comments will know that I'm just not talking properly about it. Maybe, I have no idea. But it's like, it's very easily wrinkable. It has like some deep scratches that like, once you like bend it once, that's it, it's done. I don't know, maybe that's the way it's supposed to work, but I never doing it again, ever. Alright, and here you can actually see the difference. No tint at all, this is just factory. Although a little bit dimming, it's already kind of like yellowing, dimmed, day running light. Welcome to Tesla ownership. And this one is tint. Like, it's a huge difference. Like, look at that. You cannot even really see it there. It's like some tiny little yellow line, but it is what it is. Same goes for fog lights. By the way, a new fog light on like a Plaid, it's not an upgrade. Those ones much better. Either way, by the way, those are actually being used sort of like a active steering headlight. So when you turn in a wheel, let's say to the left, on the left side, this light will turn on brighter and will give you sort of like effect that your light is kind of turning there, which it isn't, but I guess it's better than nothing. Anywho, so right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the car around, turn on the headlights, close the garage door, turn off all the lights, and let's see which kind of difference those lights produce. Alright, so I put the car back in the garage, turn on the headlights, and honestly already the result is like, wow. And the lights are on obviously, but it is mind-blowing the difference. Like, what is that? What is that? This is not supposed to be like this. Oh my gosh, let me turn off the lights so we can see the actual difference. Yeah. So, that is not safe. First of all, it looks horrendous. Second of all, compare the brightness. This is no tint, just a factory. And this is that electrical tape tint, which is, obviously I'm joking, it's not electrical tape. It's supposed to be a proper tint just for headlights. It's supposed to be made for headlights. My sensor kicked in. But, I mean, this is crazy, guys. This is absolutely insane. Look at this difference. This is undeniably not safe. So I'm very glad that I removed it. This is just back to factory, both bottom part and the main ones. And this duct tape, I'm gonna go right now as well. This is horrible. I'm gonna complain to the website that sold it to me. Like, look at even the quality. Look at this. What is that? Oh my gosh. And no, it's not my headlight. My headlight is in pretty good condition. Yeah, that's like a gooey glue, whatever, from the actual... Anyway, this is horrendous. I'm glad that I removed it. Never again. Well, that was my quick update on the project. I think I'm done. Honestly, I was only waiting for the headlight tint, and I absolutely hate it. I'm not gonna be changing it even for a lighter one, because effects on the actual brightness of a headlight is dramatic. So I certainly don't want to sacrifice safety in any shape or form. Plus, I didn't really like the look at all. So I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna call it quits. I think I'm done with this car. And on the other car, just follow the channel closely. There will be very soon a video going through entire project from start to finish, where I actually did a huge transformation of 2014 Tesla Model S, the other one, the gray one, the boring one. So it's no longer boring, but let's see what you think. Just stick around. Please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and watch the next video. And please let me know if you actually like the results or not. What would you do differently? Would you do it at all? You know, maybe give me some suggestions or ideas. I would totally appreciate that. All right, thanks very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon again. Bye-bye.